Mangal Matrix students, today we start matrix. We have a subtopic. Firstly, we understand how we calculate the cofactor of matrix. For this, we have a matrix given. This is matrix given 5, 4, 1. This is first row. This is second row 4, 3, 2. This is third row 3, 4, 5. And we have to factor cofactor of each element of this matrix. So firstly, we let a matrix again. That will be B A11. That means first row, the element of first row and first column. This is A12. This is the first row and second column element. This is A13, A21, A22. Similarly, A23, A31, A32, A33. It means this is the address name. We can say it is an address name because this element is lie in the first row and the first column. So we write in this manner A11. Similarly, this element is in the first row and the second column. So we write the address name is A12. Now, how we calculate it? We have a formula of A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to power m plus n. M plus n is the address name. So where here minus 1 plus 1. Now we see this is A11. So we leave this row and this column again. We hide this row and this column and the remaining terms will be 3, 2 and 4, 5. So we write here 3, 2, 4, 5 here. If we solve it, how we solve it? We just cross multiply it. 3 5 is 15 minus 8. It becomes 15 minus 8, that will be 7. And that is our positive element. Okay. Now we concentrate on the second one, A12. We can write minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2. Now A12 is here. So we hide this column and this row. And the remaining term will be 4, 3 and 2, 5. We hide this column. Okay. So the remaining term will be 4, 2, 3, 5. We just write here 4, 2, 3, 5 here. Now again we cross multiply it. We get 4 5 is 20 minus 6, that will be 14. But here we put the minus here because here we get minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2. Similarly, if we have to find the A13 element, that will be minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3. Okay. And now A13 is here. So we leave this row and this column. So the remaining element 4, 3, 3, 4. We just write here 4, 3, 3, 4 and cross multiply it. We get minus 1 raised to power 2. And if we solve that, we get 7 here. So there is two methods to put the sign here. Firstly, this is the method minus 1 raised to power m plus n. And the second method is we can assume that this element and this, leave this one and this one, which we have the ring, which we get the minus element. Now other element will be the positive. There is two method here. And again we have to find suppose A21. So we get here minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1. Now A21 is here. So we leave this row and this column. The remaining term will be this row and this column will be removed. 4, 4, 1, 5. So we put here 4, 4, 1, 5. And again we cross multiply it. We get minus 1 raised to power 3. 4 5 is 20 minus 4. That will be minus 16. Similarly, we can get other elements, cofactor of other elements also. Understand? Thank you. Have a nice day.